Hello everyone, today let's take a look at Quantipus number 46, a multinomial question. Pretty simple. How many distinct ways are there to arrange 4 white flags, 3 red flags, and 2 blue flags in a row if flags of the same color are indistinguishable? So this is what our setup looks like all drawn out with the colors. This is one possible orientation of the flags. And obviously we have multiple items here that are indistinguishable from each other when permuted. For instance, this setup right here is going to be exactly the same as if we did this and switch these 2 blue flags. We know the number of ways to permute 9 flags is going to be 9 factorial, but now we have to divide out these cases where when we switch them, they end up being exactly the same. So for these blue flags, we know that for every single valid permutation, we're counting it in here twice because this one could go first or this one could go first. There are 2 factorial ways to permute them relative to each other, so we need to divide this by a factor of 2 factorial. And there are 4 white flags. We know we can permute them relative to each other 4 factorial ways, so we're overcounting in here by a factor of 4 factorial, and the same thing for the red ones, except there are 3 red flags, so we're overcounting by a factor of 3 factorial. So we divide 9 factorial by all of these numbers. So just basic multinomial, this is going to end up equaling 1,260 when you work it out, and that's going to be our final answer. Now you could also think about this in terms of combinations. Basically, we have 9 places to put things. So let's start by choosing one color, red, and then let's choose 3 of these spots to put our red flags, say here, here, and here. We had 9 spots to choose from, and we placed 3, so 9 choose 3. Now, once we have done that, we have 6 places left to put our 4 white flags or blue flags. It doesn't matter which one you do first, but let's say white flags. So let's say I chose here, 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 and here. So I have 6 choose 4 ways to do that. And once I've done that, I just have my 2 blue flags left to put in the remaining positions. So it's just going to be times 2 choose 2, and you're going to get the exact same answer once you multiply this out.